Hello, today I'll be talking about how to maintain a healthy diet by eliminating processed food. Processed food is everywhere, and while it's convenient, it can be very harmful to our health. What is processed food? Processed food means food that has been changed from its original form, like adding sugar, salt, preservatives, and chemicals. Things like instant noodles, sodas, and frozen nuggets are examples of ultra-processed food that we should avoid. Eating too much processed food can lead to serious health problems like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. They are high in calories and low in nutrients, and many contain harmful ingredients like trans fat and artificial flavors. So, what are the benefits of eliminating processed food? When we reduce processed food from our diet, our bodies feel better. This is because we will have more energy, having a better digestion, and also help to gain a healthier skin. Our body immunity also increases to become more stronger. It also helps us to stay active by doing activities and exercise, which can lead to a very good quality of life. So, how to start a healthier diet? We don't have to do it all at once, but we can start from small changes like cook more at home. When we cook at home, we can choose the ingredients that we want to cook, like choosing fresh vegetables, meats, or fishes. Other than that, by cooking at home, we can control the amount of sugar or salt that we want to add into our meal. Next, instead of snacks, we can replace it with fruits, which is more high in fiber and also nutrients. Lastly, we should read food labels before buying it. By reading the food labels, we can know the amount of sugar, salt, or fat that in that product. By practicing these small habits, we can make changes and improvements in our diet. To conclude, eliminating processed food is one of the best steps toward a healthier lifestyle. Thank you.